Hi, these solar panels are mounted on a system that will track the sun through the course of the day. I'll show you how it works basically. Got two panels on this system here that elevates and rotates, and by little electric motors that are powered by small solar panels. This panel here will rotate the system over the course of the day. And these are little panels. They're 3 watts, 12 volt. They're about $5 each. And they're connected to, for left and right, they operate when the sun hits them. Right now it's not getting much sun, but when it gets full sun, it will activate the motor. And the motor, which is located over here, will turn, and it's a little rubber shaft will push against this disc, which is mounted on a Lazy Susan ball bearings, so it rotates nice and easy. And when it rotates enough, this panel will then be in the shade and shut off, and it worked great. This motor is 6 revolutions per minute. It's only about $10. And the panels are elevated up and down like a seesaw system, which is sort of center balanced. And that's operated by this other motor up here, which is attached to this threaded rod. And it is controlled by 2 small solar panels, this one up here and this one down here. And they're both connected to the motor in reverse polarity, so that the motor will run in different directions depending on which panel gets more electricity. So I'm ready for this system to elevate. So this small panel down here is this panel up here is starting to get full sunlight. It's about ready to generate electricity and elevate the whole big panel system. It has to be positioned just right. Both of them do. And after noon, the small panel at the bottom starts to get more sunlight than the one on top, and it will reverse the elevation threaded through, and the panel will start to elevate down. So it works pretty good. The only problem is resetting this in the morning. It can be done, but it's a little more complicated. What I just do is reset it by hand. I just move it toward the sun like it is right now. And then over the course of the day, it'll change elevation and the rotation. It'll just follow the sun around up in the sky, and it just worked great. It's really fascinating to watch. Yeah, you can get the exact precise elevation degrees numbers off a website by NOAA, N-O-A-A. It's a solar position website, and you can set everything according to that if you want.